It's February the 9th. The time is 5 p.m. on a Sunday evening. I'm gonna drive to Fridley to pick up little man. He's with his cousin in Fridley. That's me. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. Click the button below. I do upload videos at least every other day, if not a few videos every week. So click the button below so you don't miss out. Join me in my drive to Fridley. Peace. Hopefully I'm not gonna be stuck here. We had a lot of snow last night. I think we had about 5-6 inches. Just got to drive slowly.
Take the next right onto Geranium Avenue West, then turn left onto Rice Street.
I have the GPS, so it will keep telling me which way to go. I think there is an activity going over here at the church. So many vehicles around.
Take the next left onto Rice Street, then turn right onto Maryland Avenue West.
Gonna turn left here, go to Maryland, turn right. Some car is dead over there, and it looks newer.
Turn right onto Maryland Avenue West. Continue on Maryland Avenue West for 3/4 of a mile.
I'm sure he should be calling me anytime now to see where I'm at. In the event he does that, then the video will stop. I have to do a new one. We'll see. Yeah, he's calling me already. Hello?